Hi everyone, welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Maisto 2016 Chevrolet Camaro SS. So I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was around $29 or $30, and I think that included shipping and everything too. And I wanted it to go with my 1971 Camaro that I also have an unboxing and a review of. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the car. Just gonna get this flap open on here. These are always so hard to do with one hand. That's why I always end up cutting some of the, like, look, I can't even get it with one hand right now. All right, here we go. All right, here's the model out of the box. It looks really cool in this red. Now I just gotta unscrew from the base and get these straps off. So we'll do that next. All right, got it unscrewed. Now I just gotta go ahead and cut off these straps on here. All right, there it is with all the straps off and everything. It's kind of dusty, which is weird. This is a new model. But yeah, it's got, of course, it got the opening doors. And that door opens. I just have this thing in the way right now. Opening trunk back here. And then the opening hood. If I can just flip this upside down. All right, there's our Camaro. I'm looking forward to doing a review on this. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to show you guys some kind of customizations I made to this model since I did that unboxing video. So we're like several months after the unboxing video now at this point. But a few weeks after I got this model, I actually went ahead and made the wheels silver. I have two other models in my collection that are red with black wheels. I have the 2015 Mustang and the 2020 Corvette. And when I got this Camaro here, I kind of thought, let's make it look different from those two cars. And I thought, why don't I make the wheels silver? Because these are actually very simple to make silver because they're just kind of a simple, like, 5-spoke look. So all I did was, I used the silver Sharpie too, and I think the effect really came out well. I may even go as far as making the Chevrolet badges in the center's gold, but I didn't want to mess up, like, the work I did to make all these, I didn't want to mess up the work I did to make the wheels silver. But all I did was I removed all 4 tires, and I just kind of took the silver Sharpie and just kind of colored in these wheels here. So what I did was I started kind of like on the perimeter, then I did each individual spoke. And doing something like this works best if you have an almost new or brand new Sharpie. If you use kind of a dull silver Sharpie, then the effect won't look as great. And you'll have areas that kind of look more faded and whatnot. So I would highly recommend, if you're considering making your wheels on your models a different color, whether if you're making silver wheels to black or chrome wheels to black or black wheels to silver like I did here, definitely get a Sharpie that's either new or I guess gently used, because that way you'll know that you're going to have a nice end result. Because if you use kind of a dull Sharpie, it'll just, like, it won't look completely evenly silver. You'll have some areas that look kind of more dull and everything. And the nice thing is you can always go back and kind of touch up on areas that that you might have missed. Like for this one, I actually touched up a couple spots on this wheel here. There's a little kind of tire pressure thing on there that was still black, so I just kind of dotted it like with the silver Sharpie. And up close, yeah, there are some kind of like rough edges and everything that I could easily just clean up later. But from a distance especially, I think this model just looks awesome, especially with these silver wheels. And I checked, and the 2016 Camaro actually was optional with the red hot paint color and the silver wheels. But I just wanted to let you guys know that when I do the review of this, the wheels won't be stock because I made them silver. And I'll kind of mention that in that video, but I wanted to make kind of a separate quick video on kind of how I went about making the wheels on silver. And I will show you the other side too. But I think I still look at this today, months later after I did it, and I think, wow, like the effect of the silver wheels with like the red and like the black interior and everything, I think it just looks great. I'm not saying that the black wheels on here looked bad or anything. I just wanted to kind of make this look different compared to my Mustang and my Corvette. because, you know, they're both red with black wheels and a black interior. So I thought I would make this more like unique when comparing it to them. But yeah, and the nice thing is you can always remove the silver. If you just take an Expo marker and kind of color in the whole thing and take a cloth and kind of rub off the silver, because Expo markers contain a rubbing alcohol, and then you can restore these back to like their glossy black look. So it's not permanent, but I'm probably going to keep these that way because I think they just look really, really cool. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to go with my unboxing and kind of show you the little customizations I did to this model here. Thanks for watching.